The Volkswagen Parati Surf 1995 is a standout model in Volkswagen's lineup, particularly notable for its unique styling and practical features. As a classic car enthusiast, understanding the intricacies of this vehicle can enhance appreciation and aid in any restoration or maintenance efforts. Historical context. The Volkswagen Parati Surf is part of the Parati family, a series that was produced from the 1980s through the 2000s. The 1995 model belongs to the second generation of the Parati, which saw significant updates in design and functionality. Initially marketed towards families and adventure seekers, the Surf trim added rugged appeal suitable for off-road or rougher terrain. Design and styling. The Parati Surf 1995 features a distinctive off-road inspired design with a higher ride height, plastic cladding, and protective bumpers. The design emphasizes functionality and ruggedness, suitable for both urban and rural driving. Inside, the Parati Surf offers a spacious cabin with practical features aimed at comfort and durability. The seats are designed for extended journeys, and the dashboard layout is straightforward with easy-to-read gauges and controls. Performance specifications. The 1995 Parati Surf typically comes with a 1.8-liter engine, which provides a balance of power and fuel efficiency. It delivers around 90 to 100 horsepower, depending on the specific engine variant. A 5-speed manual transmission is standard, providing a direct and engaging driving experience. An automatic transmission was available in some markets. The vehicle features a robust suspension system designed to handle a variety of road conditions. Its higher ground clearance and reinforced suspension components make it suitable for light off-road use. Features and equipment. The 1995 model includes essentials such as air conditioning, power steering, and a basic sound system. The Surf trim may also offer additional features like roof rails and upgraded interior materials. Depending on the market, optional features might include alloy wheels, an upgraded stereo system, and leather upholstery. Maintenance and reliability. Like many vehicles of its era, the Parati Surf 1995 may experience issues with rust, particularly on the undercarriage and wheel arches. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent rust from becoming a significant problem. Due to its age, finding replacement parts may be more challenging, but many components are still available through classic car suppliers and specialty shops. Driving experience. The Parati Surf offers a comfortable ride with ample space for passengers and cargo. Its off-road capability adds to its versatility, making it suitable for various driving conditions. The driving experience is characterized by a dependable and straightforward powertrain. It delivers adequate performance for everyday driving and light off-road adventures. Conclusion. The Volkswagen Parati Surf 1995 remains a notable model for those interested in classic SUVs. With its distinctive design, practical features, and reliable performance, it offers a blend of vintage charm and functionality. Whether you're a collector or an enthusiast, understanding the nuances of this vehicle enhances its appeal and helps maintain its legacy.